Everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about lighting, specifically backup lighting. All right, but before we get into that, I'd like to remind everybody that hasn't had a chance to join the channel yet, now's a good time to click that subscribe button down below there and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the cool videos I'm putting out. All righty, so lighting, backup lighting specifically. And of course, when I say backup lighting, everybody goes, flashlights. Yes, flashlights and other stuff. If the power goes out and it's out for a long time, what do you have for lighting sources? Do you have one or two flashlights? You got half a dozen. Are the batteries all good? When was the last time you checked them? This is one of those items you need to check often to make sure all your batteries are good and your flashlights and the bulbs are good and everything's working properly. Now, people say, well, flashlights are expensive. Yes, some of the neat little flashlights like this are expensive. You know, the cost of this thing here is about $8. Or you can do like I've done over the years. I get those mail coupons from Harbor Freight. Come with the mail, the newspaper, whatever, and they got buy something and you get something free, and it's usually you get a tarp free or something else, but a lot of times it's these blue flashlights. I love these. I probably got about 20 of these so far, and I got them all over the place around here. I got 3 in this room right here. I got a couple in the bedroom, got a couple in the kitchen, stick on the fridge and freezer and everything else around, several out in the shop, all within hand reach, because when power goes out, you need to have these. And they work real good. They last a long time. They're LED. They come with a little hook on it so you can hook it on your shirt. And if I get a hook on here, there you go. You just kind of hook it on your shirt and you can walk around with it and keep your hands free. Also, it has a magnet on the back, so you can just stick it on the fridge and turn it on and it lights up the kitchen area there. So whatever you have for lighting, you want to make sure everything's working properly. And it's lighting also also includes oil lamps, propane lanterns, candles, everything you can think of that's out there for giving you light is an option to use. And everything needs to be checked out. Some lighting sources are safer than others. And I'll talk about candles specifically in the next coming weeks here. All right. So in the meantime, check your lights, make sure they all work, and stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Be safe. Don't do anything foolish, and get prepared, because you never know when a disaster is going to strike. Take care, and I'll see you around in the next video.